Hello everyone, I am Dr. Niranjan Samani. Welcome back to a new video on my YouTube channel. Today's topic is chia seeds. Now I have already made a detailed video regarding chia seeds. What is the benefit of chia seeds in weight loss, and everything has been spoken on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't watched it, I'll be providing the I button up. You can watch it now. So in this particular video, I'll be telling you the right way to have chia seeds. If you're not having the chia seeds in the right way, it can result to death. Yes, you heard it right. It's a very dangerous thing if you're not having chia seeds rightly. Now there has been a case recorded that is 39-year-old man almost choked to death because of chia seeds. Now what went wrong? What went wrong in his case? What exactly happened? How did chia seeds almost choked him to death? Now that is very interesting. Now I will be talking in this video how much chia seeds you should have and what is the right way to have it as well. Watch this video to the very end. I'm very sure this is going to be really helpful. New to this channel, as always, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. वो जो लाल बटन आपको नीचे दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, please दबा दो, and also follow me on Instagram as well. The link is in the description box. So let's start today's video. That is, what is the right way to have chia seeds? Now, chia seeds are very nutritious, a superfood what people tend to call it. It is rich in fiber, antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, minerals, whatnot. Everything is there in chia seeds. It is absolutely a beautiful food. Now, what is the right way to have the chia seeds? Never have chia seeds directly. Just take it in the spoon and just having it directly. No, don't ever do that. Now, there has been a case recorded that a 39-year-old man had the dried chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of dried chia seeds directly, followed by a glass of water. Now, chia seeds has a tendency that they expand 27 times their weight once they come in contact with the water. So that is a property of a chia seed. That is how it happens, you know. So what happened post ingestion, this man, the chia seed just expanded and it got choked in his esophagus. He almost choked to death. Now this is very dangerous and very serious situation. Now you need to understand that fact. Never have chia seeds directly. Please don't. They can expand 27 times the weight when they come in contact with the water, and it is going to be really dangerous at times. So what you need to do is always take a glass of water or any liquid, soak the chia seeds in them. Maybe overnight, जो भी आप करते हो, या maybe for some time, just soak them in water and then have it. Okay, do not directly have the dried chia seeds and then have a glass of water. It's very dangerous. Now whatever happened with him, he was so lucky that he got out of it, but sometimes people are not that lucky that they can get out of it as well. So this might seem to be a very simple topic, you know, chia seeds, उसमें क्या है यार? Simple things only always lead to catastrophes. So please be very careful. It is my responsibility to get this topic under your notice so that next time whenever you are having chia seeds, you know how to have it. Always soak it in a liquid or a glass of water and then have it. Do not directly have the dried chia seeds and have a glass of water. That is very dangerous. So please no. And also one more tip, that is if at all you guys are on blood thinners or if you're having any medications for blood pressures, always consult your doctor regarding this, because whenever you're having chia seeds, tell your doctor that you're having this, because they also act as blood thinners because of the content that is omega-3 fatty acids. So they can hamper the medications as well. So that's one thing you need to be again careful about. So blood thinners, you know, always have a word with the doctor and accordingly the modifications will be done and there is nothing to worry about. So now you guys know how really to have the chia seeds. Now comes the question, that is how much of chia seeds should you eat every day? 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, that's it. That's pretty much is more than enough for you to have every single day. 3 tablespoons of chia seeds soaked in a water or any other liquid and then have it comfortably. Absolutely nothing to worry. But dry chia seeds is something that you need to avoid. I hope this video was really helpful and beneficial. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. And also follow me on Instagram. So please share this video to every friend of yours, every relatives or anyone. यार आपके दुश्मन को भी ये share कर दो, because save a life. Okay, something very simple can lead to a really big disaster. So in the end, I want to tell one thing, that is eat healthy, stay healthy, only positivity, no negativity until my new video comes. I love you, DNSians.